So everybody's always talking about how to make money online, how to make money from home. All right. But to some people, this is not even a realistic thing to do. Some people think that you got to have a big personality or you got to be a talker and you got to want to do videos a lot. But you know what? Today's video is about the roadmap to success for making money online and making money from home. And this is especially for people who are ready to change their income in 2024. So let's get right to it. All right. So the first thing we are going to do, I'm just going to go to katinatoBroker.com. I'm going to just go over a blog article that I just wrote. All right. Just so that I stay on track. Now, don't worry about how this blog looks. I got to update it. But here's my most recent article right here. All right, how to make money online for beginners 2024, the roadmap to success. So let's click on that. All right, now I'm telling you how to make money online. The whole idea of it is perfect for stay-at-home moms and dads, people who are just tired of the 9-to-5 grind, and just people who want to learn more about making money online. So, here are the steps, okay? In my blog article, I talk about identify your niche and your passion. Now, I did a blog and I recently did my ebook. And so, the reason I did this blog is because I realized that some of the hot and popular ways to make money online were not included in my ebook. But instead of me just continuing to update the ebook, especially when it just launched, I wanted to just write a blog article that can be linked to the ebook. And I'll tell you about the ebook in just a moment. So be sure you watch this video until the end. But let's get back real quick to the blog article. This is for people who are serious about making money online in 2024. All right. So your next step, you want to build a strong online presence. Now, let me just tell you, some people think you can only build an online presence with showing your face and talking on videos, but that is not true. And in this article, and especially in the ebook, I tell you all about how to get started making money online, building a strong platform with video. All right. And you know what? As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you an example right now. And this is going to promote somebody else's page, but I just think her page is so cool. So I'm going to show it to you. All right. This is a prime example for people who are afraid to get started online making money. How do I find somebody? Let me do a search. Stay with me. Stay with me. How do I? Okay, search. Okay. One moment. I just want to show you this lady. She never talks, but she does videos, and the videos are all about her dog. You see how many followers she has? And I think she might have talked once or twice. All right. But she just shows these elaborate meals that she makes for her dog. And that's it. That's what her channel's all about. All right. And even, my blog, right? People are making money every day through blogging. All you have to do, you use Pexels and get you some photos. Come up with some ideas. You can do that with ChatGPT. All right. ChatGPT will write a blog article for you, but here's the key and how you make money. Right here, you see this right here, like all these blue texts, these are affiliate links. These are links that go to products that I would get commissions from, right? So this is what I'm saying, y'all. Stop acting like, it's not possible. It's very possible to make money online. So yeah, all these areas are affiliate links. And what happens is, as you continue to update your blog, guess what? When people start to Google stuff like how to make money online, Google is going to recommend you because you will become an authority figure. All right. So easy. I just showed you two quick and easy ways to get started. But All right, here are some other ways, y'all. Content creation, of course, that's what you see on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Blogging, I just showed you the blog. E-commerce and drop shipping. Okay, now this is one that I have not tried, is the drop shipping. So I do know a lot about it. I did take a couple courses on it and I researched it, but I don't know, it didn't excite me enough. So that's one I didn't try, but one that I do know about. So that is not included in detail in my ebook, right? And again, y'all, the ebook, real quick, the ebook is called How to, where's the ebook? The ebook, oh my goodness. All right, here's the ebook, y'all. Okay, so the ebook is 5 steps to make $5,000 a month online. And hey, what do you get? How to get brand deals with corporations, how to make money with affiliate partnerships, how to build a team and get passive income. And it talks about the examples I just showed you, how to make money without even showing your face. All right, and you know what? While we're at it, let me just go ahead and just show you what is inside the book. Sneak peek, y'all. Y'all ready? Before I show you this sneak peek, give me a thumbs up and just drop a fire emoji in the comment section if you have learned anything so far. All right, because I'm really giving the game right now. This is perfect for people who want to make money online 2024, and especially if you are a beginner, a stay-at-home mom or dad, this is perfect for you. So drop that fire emoji, y'all. And if it's your first time here, I'm Katina Willis. So please be sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out a lot. All right, so let me show you the other side, y'all. I'm showing you the other side once you get this book, because guess why? Right now, it's right now at the time of this recording, it is on sale for $7. Now, I'm gonna just tell y'all, this sale is not gonna be going on for long, so you better get yours right now, today. But let me show you what's inside. And I'm going to go by quick because I don't want to show you. I don't want to give all the tea, but I just want you to know what's inside. All right. So here is my Word document, y'all. This is, and let me tell y'all, I'm truly a writer. I really be creating this stuff, y'all. As y'all see, I love to talk. So, but my book is copywritten. I do got a publishing company, right? Y'all know I'm Miss Next Level. So, it is copywritten. So anybody think they gonna do something slick, don't even try it. Don't even think about it. But let me just show you what's inside. All right, we talk about earning potential. We go over 13 content creation ideas. We go with 5 strategic moves, 7 things you need to get started, determine your niche, and let me just show you real quick. Unlimited potential, social media, content creation ideas, strategic moves if you're already active, 7 things you need to get started, determining your niche, baby, choosing your strategy and the best platform, and being strategic, and on and on and on. So I'm not going to give you all the sauce right now, but as I said, we won't be on sale for that $7 price too long. But let me just show you a little bit more now. Once you do make your purchase, once you do make that purchase, this is what you're going to get. Now, this is the crazy part, y'all. I am just so in the spirit, or so dedicated to helping people, to escape their 9-to-5 misery, or just start a side hustle, just learn ways to produce income for yourself without your job, just in case something happens, like what happened in 2020, So it's just like an introduction. I really wish I knew about it before 2020, okay? Because I would have cleaned up when that thing happened in 2020. But that is when I discovered it. So, and I've been running with it ever since and having a ball. So let me just show you, once you do order the ebook, let me show you the bonuses you get. All right. Check it out, y'all. So you get to grow your business with social media. It's an on-demand masterclass. Let me just click on it to show y'all what that looks like. Okay. So let me see. This was cool. This was cool. So I'm gonna tell you now, I did an interactive course, and then I did one that was not interactive. So some people, stay more awake when, there you can hear the chatter from others or the questions. So some people love those. Some people just want to get to the point. So you're getting both. All right. So you're going to get that, and you're going to also get, hold on one second. You're going to get the 5 steps to 5 to 10K online. So this was another on-demand masterclass that you get, okay? And you know what? There's another bonus in there too, but I'm not going to show it all. But you know what, y'all? Let me tell you. Making money online and making money from home has been one of the best things that ever happened to me. So that's why I like to share the information. And I don't want to talk you to death, but making money online, the whole e-commerce business is only going to get bigger and continue to grow. So my thoughts are, don't get left behind. Click on the link in the description box below. I'm going to link this blog article here. And also I am going to link the book, and the coupon code is Friday. The coupon code is Friday. So that's it, y'all. It's Katina Willis. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. And hey, don't forget, drop that fire emoji if you did. So thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Take care.